Beautiful morning to all of you. Welcome to this very special class. This is called outdoor training. And you know what, ma'am? What is the real meaning of outdoor training? You know, ma'am, outdoor training is the way of remove your agitation. And you know what, ma'am? This is the way of boost up yourself. And this is the way of boost up your confidence level. So, first of all, before start the session, I would like to introduce myself first. Hi, this is Aradhya, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to say something here. So, my topic is deforestation and pollution. So, I would like to start my topic from a beautiful quotation. So, my quotation is that शहर बसाकर सुकून के लिए गांव ढूंढते हैं, शहर बसाकर सुकून के लिए गांव ढूंढते हैं, हाथ में कुल्हाड़ी लिए छांव ढूंढते हैं. So, my Thank you. So my topic is deforestation and pollution. So first of all, you should know that what is the real meaning of deforestation and pollution. The real meaning of deforestation and pollution is the deforestation and pollution both are very harmful for our environment and both are very dangerous for our environment. You know what, sir? In this era, so many factories are increasing day by day and they are producing a lot of product, and they are not just producing product, they are also producing water pollution and also air pollution. And the factories are not just producing pollution, they are we are also producing pollution. Like, we throw the garbage anywhere and we don't care about, ma'am, and we don't care about, we throw the garbage in water also. And nowadays we are using so many vehicles, right, ma'am? And you know, the vehicles are also producing air pollution. And in this era, people uh, people make the furniture the making furniture, people cut a lot of trees, ma'am, and they are cutting trees in a large amount. So this is called deforestation. And the reason of the deforestation, ma'am, 1.8 degrees Celsius increase day by day, and a person who live a comfortable life, so they fix the AC and they spend their whole day in AC, and the AC throughout the heat air outside. And a person who work in outside, ma'am, they feel more heat. So this is very dangerous for us. And in this era, what is our society mentality, sir? Our society mentality is that first of all they cut the tree, and then after they make the paper, and then they write on paper, we should not cut the tree, we should save our environment, we should prohibit it in the deforestation. So this is our society mentality. So you know what, if a person wanna go to market, sir, if a person wanna go to market, so a little bit far, the market is little bit far, so they don't go to market by his foot, they go to market his bike, because nowadays people are getting lazy, but not earlier people do this. Earlier, if a person if they want to go the market, so they don't go to market by any vehicle, they go to market by their foot, and sometime they ride bicycle. So that's why their environment, because the good environment is very effective for a good living. And you know what, ma'am, a new study published is that in this earth, according to the study, around 3.4 trillion trees are available in our earth, but according to the study, 15.3 billion cutting in a single year. So you can find out that we are cutting tree in a large amount. So I wanna say a little quote for this topic. मत काटो इन पेड़ों को, इनमें भी तो जान है, मत काटो इन पेड़ों को, इनमें भी तो जान है, इसीलिए आज भी इंसान स्वच्छ हवा के लिए परेशान है. So, and the deforestation is increasing so many problems like soil eruption and folds, water vapor changes, and climate condition. So this is very dangerous for us. And you know what, sir? I'm talking about India, not other countries. I'm talking about India. In India, the highest rate of deforestation in Mizoram. And if you talk about the percentage of the deforestation, so the deforestation is in Mizoram is 83%. So you can find out that our India is not behind of deforestation. In India, deforestation is also happen, and this is very harmful for our Indians. And you know what? We throw the plastics anywhere. We throw the plastics anywhere, and sometimes the cow. And what is bad for my health? That's why sometimes the cow are take the polythene and they die due to take polythene. So for your information, I tell you a ratio. In India, 20 cows are die in a single day. So you can find out that the deforestation and the pollution is not harmful for. So they walk in the front of road, they live in the front of road, and that's why the accidents are happen with the animals, and so many animals are die due to road accident. So the accident are all happen in every single day, every single year. Accident always happen with the animals. And you know what, ma'am? We are, I am responsible, you are responsible, we are responsible for that destroy day by day. And we are the responsible for that. We should plant the tree, we should save our environment, because we will plant the trees, so our environment will very beautiful and very clean. And our intention should be that जागो और जगाओ, हर हवा को स्वच्छ बनाओ. Thank you.